The educational materials presented here were developed by students and faculty of the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition at Iowa State University. Funding for this project was provided by grants from the American Cancer Society Midwest and the Lance Armstrong Foundation. The materials are intended for educational use and are not meant to provide medical advice. We welcome your feedback about these materials. Please use the evaluation survey link on the homepage to provide your comments and suggestions. There is growing evidence that antioxidants may protect the body's cells from cell damage that can lead to cancer. An antioxidant can be a vitamin, mineral, or phytochemical. Antioxidants neutralize damage to the body's cells and are naturally found in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and nuts. Over the past 2 decades, scientists have studied antioxidants like vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, resveratrol, and selenium are other antioxidants that are also being investigated. Antioxidants defend the body's cells against molecules called free radicals. Cellular activities that keep us alive also produce destructive oxygen molecules in the highly reactive, unstable form of free radicals. Free radicals possess an unpaired or free electron. Pairing this lone electron with another gives the molecule stability. To achieve stability, a free radical scavenges electrons from other molecules, which disrupts their stability in turn. Too many free radicals can inflict damage on healthy cells, and research now implicates excess free radicals in a number of diseases, including cancer. Antioxidants can help offset damage caused by free radicals and function in a variety of ways. They can limit free radical formation, destroy free radicals, and stimulate antioxidant enzyme activity. Many scientists believe that a plentiful supply of antioxidants carrying out different protective roles may help defend against the cell's changes and can lead to cancer. There is currently much controversy surrounding the pros and cons of taking antioxidants. It is not fully understood at this time if large doses of antioxidants may protect cancer cells from the intended effects of chemo or radiation therapy, act to enhance the effects, or act as pro-oxidants, causing more damage than protection of our healthy cells. It is highly likely to be very individualistic. A number of studies point to an association between antioxidants and reduced cancer risk. However, researchers are becoming more convinced that cancer protection does not come from any single antioxidant. It will take more studies to draw firm conclusions about specific antioxidants. Research suggests vitamin C may help reduce the risk of stomach cancer, and vitamin E may help lower the incidence of prostate and colon cancers. Selenium may also reduce the risk for prostate and lung cancers. Evidence has shown a general conclusion that is quite clear. People who eat a mostly plant-based diet that contains plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, and moderate amounts of nuts have lower cancer risk. Experts at the American Institute of Cancer Research, or the AICR, believe that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, such as citrus, tomato, peppers, berries, grapes, broccoli, cabbage, and greens like spinach and kale, should provide all the antioxidants we need for good health and lower cancer risk. The simplest advice is to eat a diet that is mostly brightly colored vegetables and fruits, along with whole grains and beans. There are so many health protectors naturally found in these foods that scientists estimate eating a large variety every day may lower cancer risk by at least 20%. Here you see a list of foods that are thought to fight cancer. These foods are beans, berries, cruciferous vegetables, dark green leafy vegetables, flaxseed, garlic, grapes and grape juice, green tea, soy, tomatoes, and whole grains. Berries are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. According to the AICR, foods high in vitamin C probably protect against cancer of the esophagus, while foods containing dietary fiber can probably decrease one's risk of developing colorectal cancer. All berries, but particularly strawberries and raspberries, are rich in a substance called ellagic acid. In laboratory studies, this phytochemical has shown the ability to prevent cancers of the skin, bladder, lung, esophagus, and breast. Research suggests that ellagic acid seems to utilize several different cancer-fighting methods at once. It acts as an antioxidant, it helps the body deactivate specific carcinogens, and it helps slow the reproduction of cancer cells. Blueberries contain a family of phenolic compounds called anthocyanosides, which many scientists believe are among the most potent antioxidants yet discovered. Spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, leaf lettuce, mustard greens, collard greens, chicory, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of fiber, folate, and a wide range of carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, along with saponins and flavonoids. According to the AICR, foods containing carotenoids probably protect against cancers of the mouth, pharynx, and larynx. Researchers believe that carotenoids seem to prevent cancer by acting as antioxidants, that is, scouring potentially dangerous free radicals from the body before they can do harm. Some laboratory research has found that carotenoids in dark green leafy vegetables can inhibit the growth of certain types of breast cancer cells, skin cancer cells, lung cancer, and stomach cancer. The AICR's second expert report also noted probable evidence that foods containing folate decrease risk of pancreatic cancer and that foods containing dietary fiber probably reduce one's chances of developing colorectal cancer. Both grapes and grape juice are rich sources of resveratrol, a specific type of natural plant chemical that belongs to a much larger group of plant chemicals called polyphenols. The skin of the grape contains the most resveratrol, and red and purple grapes contain significantly more than green grapes. Wine also contains resveratrol. However, with AICR's second expert report noting convincing evidence that alcohol is associated with increased risk for cancers of the mouth, pharynx and larynx, esophagus, breast cancer in both pre- and postmenopausal women, and colon and rectum cancer in men, wine is not recommended as a source of resveratrol. Scientists believe that polyphenols in general and resveratrol in particular possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Resveratrol also has the ability to slow the growth of cancer cells and inhibit the formation of tumors in lymph, liver, stomach, and breast cells. In one series of studies, resveratrol blocked the development of skin, breast, and leukemia cancers at all three stages of the disease: initiation, promotion, and progression. In conclusion, not one single food or food substance can protect you against cancer. Scientists think that the right combination of foods in a predominantly plant-based diet will lower your risk of developing